when your legs don't work like they used to before.
For love is
you
stronger than death. Relentless, its devotion.
Will your mouth
Its
still
flames
remember the
are
taste of my
blazing
love?
fire. Deep waters
Will your
cannot
eyes
quench
still
love,
smile from
nor
your cheek?
floods sweep it away.
Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart could still fall as hard at 23. And I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just the touch of a hand. Well, me, I fall in love with you every single day, and I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud, maybe we found love right where we are. When my hair's all but gone and my memory fades, and the crowds don't remember my name.
So Roxanne,
When my hands
did you
don't
come
fade
here of your own
the
free
same
will
way,
to bind yourself forever in the love and service
I
of
know you
Ralph,
will still
your
love me
husband?
the same. 'Cause honey, your soul could never grow old, it's evergreen. And baby, your smile's forever in my mind and memory. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways, and maybe it's all part of a plan. Well, I'll just keep on making the same mistakes, hoping that you'll understand. But baby, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud that maybe we found love right where we are.
Ralph, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of Roxanne, your wife?
Yes, mother.
So baby, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Oh darling, place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud that maybe we found love right where we are. Well, maybe we found love right where we are. And we found love right where we are.